Here's a scenario that you've probably faced. You've set up an AI cold calling campaign, and after hundreds of calls have taken place, you're left with dozens of transcripts and call recordings to sift through to know just one simple thing. What was the customer's exact budget? What were his exact requirements? Well, guys, not anymore. Introducing the custom data extractor by Kyzo AI. Extract the exact data that you want from each call every time automatically. This new feature lets you define exactly what kind of data you want extracted from the call, be it the customer's budget, the requirements, his pain points, whatever is necessary for your business. You now have full control over the data that is extracted. Kyzo AI will pull out this data from each call and populate it directly into the leads tab within each campaign. So let's say you're a real estate brokerage firm running an AI-based cold calling campaign to know the buyer's intent. Now, what if you don't have to manually go through transcripts and Kyzo AI automatically extracts the number of bedrooms required, the exact budget of the customer, and his exact requirements, and neatly populates this data within the leads tab in each campaign. This is now possible, and it means that hours of manual work is saved. Hey guys, so quickly checking out the custom data extractor tool that we've just added in our Kyzo AI dashboard. Once you log in, it's very simple to get it up and running. The first thing that you've got to do is go into the tools tab and enable the custom data extraction tool right here. Once it is enabled, you can then go on and configure this custom data extractor for each campaign. Now say I want to run a campaign as a real estate brokerage firm to check the buyer's intent, to check their budget, to check their exact requirements, whether they're looking for 1 BHK or 2 BHK. And usually you will have to go through the entire recordings, the transcripts to understand what the customer's requirements are. Now it's dead simple to do it. All you've got to do is enter the campaign name, upload the leads, configure the AI agent, schedule the campaign, and now in the post call tools, you've got to select custom field extractor. Now here you will be mentioning the fields and the exact description or the type of field that you want to extract. So this is basically defining the columns that you want to extract, right? So say I want the area. This is the area Dubai in which the lead is looking for a property, right? And this will be a text-based field. I also want to extract the budget. This is the customer's budget for the property they are looking at. And again, this will be a number, right? Then I want to know whether they are looking to rent or buy. So this will have values rent or buy, and this will tell us whether the customer wants to rent a property or buy a property, right? And this of course will be a text-based field as well, and you can add a lot of fields, probably the type of property that they're looking for, whether they're looking for an apartment or a villa, what kind of property they're looking for. Then you can also define a user prompt here. In my case, I'll be defining a simple user prompt. You're an expert real estate agent and you will be analyzing the calls to extract the following information from each transcript, right? And then once you submit it, this tool is now saved. And if you go into the leads tab, right, once these calls takes place, these three fields or these three columns will be visible right here within the lead data, right? So let's just quickly launch this campaign. And guys, as you can see, once the calls take place, you can see that the three fields or the three data points that we wanted to extract have been added in the leads column itself. And for all the three people that actually picked up the call and conversed with the AI agent, you can see that the area that they wanted the flat in, whether they wanted to rent or buy, and their budget all has been extracted and added here. So you don't necessarily need to listen to the entire call recording. Just look at the data points that are relevant to your business, call back the lead, and take it forward from here. And we added this feature because we realized it's not just about making AI based cold calls, it's about making these calls context rich, actionable, and data driven. So, whether you're in real estate, finance, banking, lending, whatever be the industry, you are now in control of exactly the data you want to extract from each call. And if you're already a Kyzo user, this feature is live in your dashboard now. And if not, it's a really good time to start using our software. So stop guessing and start executing. And if you want to see how Kyzo AI can be integrated into your business today, the link is in the description. And guys, subscribe to the channel because this is where you get the latest updates about AI based cold calling, lead qualification, and lead generation. See you on the next one.